Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a collective reading. It's a channeled reading. I'll just read and see what's coming up for you. Basically, I want to see what your person is thinking about you, and it can be anyone, like your husband, your friend, anyone. Okay. So let's see what whomsoever you are thinking about, what they are feeling right now. What do they feel about the connection they have with you? Do they really miss you? I just want to see, do they miss you? Okay, this is the main question of our reading, that does your person miss you? Okay, so let's see what's going on in their mind. How are they feeling? Let's see what they are feeling right now. Let's see how is the person you're dealing with feeling right now. First of all, I would like to tell you, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. I am Pooja, an intuitive and psychic tarot reader. You can also come down for personal readings. I am available for personal readings. I have mentioned my WhatsApp number. If you are paying from outside of India, you have to pay via wire transfer or Western Union. Okay. Basically, you just have to use wire transfer for payment. I don't use PayPal or any other payment option for now. And if you are from India, you can pay me via Google Pay or Phone Pay. Okay, so yeah, please check my WhatsApp number. It may be displayed on the screen also, and in the description box it is mentioned. And also please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have mentioned my all links underneath. And if you understand Hindi language, please consider subscribing my other two channels. I have two Hindi tarot channels. You can subscribe them. Yeah, the links are mentioned in the description. Let's see what your person is current. And yes, these are general love readings, so it will not resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. Let's see what your person is feeling right now. Do they miss you? How is their state of mind right now? What is your person feeling right now? Let's see first from the psychic oracle. What is basically your person feeling right now? I just want to have a look, because these oracle cards show me more in depth of how your person is feeling right now. Okay, let's see what they're feeling right now. Okay, the first card we have to take the lead. Okay, the person you're dealing with, I think their heart is shouting to them that please take the lead, please take the action. So they want to take action, they want to communicate, they want to take the lead in this connection and come back to you. So yeah, that is what's going on in their mind. They want to be the one taking the lead in this connection, and universe is guiding them to do that. Okay, they will take the lead, they will take the initiative. The next is seek. Maybe they took their time off from this connection, they took their space, and now they have come up with some decisions, and that is why they want to take the lead. Okay, they seeked inside of them for all the answers and everything that was going on inside their head, and now they have come up with a very solid decision. Okay, so they seeked inside of them, they found inside answers inside of them, and now what they want is to take the lead. They want to come back to you, and they want to be the one taking the lead in this connection. Okay, what more do we have in your person's feeling right now? Okay, the next is the healing begins. Maybe they were hurt by some of your actions or the situation that happened between you both, and now they are healing, and they are in this healing process. They tried seeking within them for all the answers, and they are healing now. They got all their answers, they are healing now, and they are coming back, they are taking the lead. Okay, and the next card is strengthening bonds. Your bond with this person is going to just strengthen, just increase day by day. The love is just going to grow day by day. Okay, so beautiful messages we have got from the heart oracle. Now let's see what they're feeling right now. Let's see their feelings with the tarot, how they are feeling right now. If you haven't liked the video, please please hit the like button before going forward with the reading. The first message we have got is the High Priestess and the King of Cups. This person, they are charged up. They are open to express how they really feel for you. Okay, they have got the clarity. Maybe they were finding some answers within them, and they have got the clarity. They have come up in this High Priestess mode. They understand what importance you bring to their life, and what importance you both I mean, they have understood this connection. Okay, there is a lot of wisdom this person has gained over time. Okay, and now they want to just express, they have this cup of love, they want to give it to you. This is the King of Cups. This person's love, this man's love is just very true. Okay, you can't question or deny their love. Okay, let's see what more do we have in their current feelings. What do we have in their current feelings? The first is Queen of Cups. See, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, the masculine and the feminine are aligned together. Okay, both of you are feeling this love for each other. Both of you are feeling too connected to each other. You both want to express, you both are happy. See the content you see on their face. You both love each other unconditionally, and that is what you are going to express to each other very soon. Okay, this is going to happen very soon. Let's see what more comes up in this reading. The masculine and the feminine basically are both happy and both quite optimistic about taking this connection further. What more do we have in their feelings? What more do we have in their feelings? Okay, I think there were obstacles. There were maybe they have blocked you, they have blocked their energies in the past, and now they want to they have sorted themselves out. They will unblock you. If they have blocked you, they are going to unblock you. All the obstacles, they have cleared it one by one, and now they are going to approach you. They are going to show their feelings. They are going to express their feeling. They are going to put their feelings on the table. Okay, they are going to exactly show you how they feel inside. Okay, and this is a wish fulfillment card too. Maybe some of your wishes about this person and this connection are going to be fulfilled. Yeah, so yeah, basically this is a very good news for you. What more do we have? See, they are feeling rejected, alone. They were feeling rejected, alone. They don't want to be away from you. Maybe you were not accepting some of their offers, or maybe they feel as if if they approach you, you are going to reject them or their emotions. So they don't want to feel neglected or denied. Okay, so that is what is keeping them for so long away from you, because this person is quite indecisive whether to make this offer or not. Okay, what more do we have? This person loves you a lot. What more do we have, please? What do we have in their person's feelings? What do we have in the person's feelings? The next card is the Seven of Pentacles. They're ready to invest their part. They know both have to give into this relationship. There needs to be an equal give and take in this relationship, and they will do their part now. Maybe they were not doing much. They were just keeping their feelings to themselves, and now they will. This person will express how they really feel for you. Okay, they are ready for investing into this relationship. What more do we have in their person's feelings? Clear messages, please. What do we have in this person's feelings? What do we have, please? The next card is Ten of Swords. This is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. I'm feeling as if this person feels backstabbed or cheated to or lied to. There is some sort of pain this person feels moving forward with you, but they are healing. I think they are healing from everything. They will heal. Give them this time. They need some time to heal. Just believe in what's happening around you in this connection, and they'll come around. Okay. Let's see what more do we have in their feeling. Do they miss you? From the rest of the reading, I am getting these vibes that this person is quite missing you right now. They want to be with you. Let's see what more do we have. Do they really miss you? Do this person really miss you? Please. Yeah, they want to come back. They want to get back with you. This is the Wheel of Fortune. The wheels are going to turn in your favor now. Universe, angel guides, spirits, everyone is just preparing for both of you to gravitate towards each other. Yeah. What more do we have? See, Ten of Cups, they're really missing you. They want stability with you. They are missing the stable connection with you. You offer a very stable connection to this person. You offer a stable love to this person. Yeah, your feelings are quite there in front of them. You don't hide anything. You are very true with how you feel towards this person, and they can feel your vibes now. See, maybe this person was hurt by their own expectations or their misconceptions or misunderstandings about you, and they are going to see the reality. Maybe they were not seeing the reality. They were just having trust issues or maybe misconceptions or anything else, and that was keeping them away from you, and now they'll come up, they will face the reality. Yeah, they will see the reality. Yeah, so beautiful. Let's see what more do we have in the oracles. What more do we have? Okay, the first card, sorry for the mess, I just want to concentrate on the reading. The first card we have is the Imagine. What I'm saying here is this person is missing you a lot. I think they want harmony with you, they want to come back to you, they want to reconcile with you, they are daydreaming, they are thinking about you. This person is thinking a lot, they are thinking and overthinking, and they are getting into the spiral of thinking and overthinking. Okay, this person is imagining how life would be when you are with them. Okay, so they want to be with you basically. What more do we have? What more do we have in their feelings? Higher power. I think they have stepped up into their higher power, their higher consciousness, and now they know what they want. They have figured out what they exactly want from you and from this connection. Divine energies are guiding them towards you. They are enlightened. They are spiritually enlightening. Yeah. What more do we have in their feelings? The next is the serendipity. So what I feel here is I'm seeing that. So I think you're going to receive good luck. You're going to receive unexpected abundance. Okay. So be ready for this unexpected. Whatever you're getting in love, be ready to receive it, okay, with an open heart. You're going to receive something really beautiful. Let's see what angel messages do we have for you. This will be an advice for you all. What angel messages do we have for you? 2 angel messages, please. What first is the message? Manifestation. I think your manifestation is going to work. You just need to do it right with good intentions and be very honest about what you want and be very clear about what you want. Whatever you are going to manifest is going to be provided to you by angels and fairies, okay? So use it for your benefit. What more do we have? The next is protect your dreams. I told you, you are dreaming about this person. You're dreaming about having abundance, having stability with this person, and just protect your dreams, okay? Don't disclose them to anyone, okay? Until you're really ready and really open to receiving advices from others, do not disclose anything in your heart, okay? So yeah, that's what we are getting. Let's see the handwritten advices. What do we have for you? What handwritten advices do we have for you? Let's see, what do we have for you from the handwritten messages? Okay, the first we have is peaceful. You need peace and you will receive peace. Okay, your relationship is going to be more peaceful and more calm. Missing you, this person is really missing you. They want to be with you. What more do we have in this reading for you? Okay, socialize. You need to socialize more. Maybe you're not. Okay, what more do we have? What messages do we have for you? 1, 5, 6 months, maybe January, May and June are specific months for you, or something happened 1, 5, 6 months ago, or something is going to happen, some significant situation is going to happen for you in the month 1, 5, 6 months away from now. What more do we have? One more, please. Intuition. Your intuition is going to be very strong, okay? So trust your intuition right now. So yeah, this was it. If you liked the reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and yes, see you in next video.